In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Xero. Whether you're managing invoices, uploading relevant documents, or simply organizing your files, knowing how to do this efficiently is a crucial part of using Xero to its full potential. So let's jump right in and make sure you look like a pro in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. If you're not already familiar with the interface, don't worry. It's user-friendly, and you'll be navigating it like a seasoned veteran in no time. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's your central hub for managing all things related to your finances. Next, direct your attention to your company name in the upper part of the screen. Clicking on your company name serves as a gateway to a range of customization options and additional features tailored for your particular business needs. After you click on it, you'll see a drop-down menu with various options designed to streamline your workflow. From this menu, you'll want to locate and click on the Files option. This section of Xero is incredibly useful as it allows you to store and organize all your documents securely within the platform. Whether it's receipts, contracts, or other important paperwork, this is where you'll upload them for easy access later on. Now, let's get to the actual uploading of files. In the Files section, there is a clear and prominent Upload button that's hard to miss. Clicking this will open up a dialog box, prompting you to select the files you wish to upload from your computer. Take a moment here to consider what documents are necessary and relevant for your business records. Once you've selected and uploaded your files, you'll see them appear in your Xero account, neatly arranged. This easy access can save you countless hours of searching through emails or piles of paper in the future. Attaching these files to specific areas in Xero, like invoices, bills, or expenses, is just as simple. Navigate to the feature where you wish to attach your document, and you'll often find an option to attach a file right there. Click it, select the relevant file from your uploaded documents, and voila! It's now neatly connected to the item you're working on. Having this functionality at your fingertips helps keep everything organized and ensures that all related documents are exactly where they need to be, easily accessible to you and your team. Plus, it adds a layer of professionalism and adherence to best practices when managing your financial records. And there you have it, a simple process made even easier thanks to Xero's intuitive design. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and that you'll be confidently managing your files in Xero moving forward. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.